Nandito kami. Dito na uli kami. Tingnan natin yung effect niya. Pag-araw. Tapos papasukin namin yan. Papasok kami sa loob. Oh, parang ano lang, century egg. Century egg. Oh. Diba? Look at that. Okay, guys. Yan lang muna. Dugtungan natin ito mamaya. Yan, malapit na kami. May 1 hour pa kami dito. Pasok kami dyan. Papasukan namin yung dome na yan. Yung spear na yan. Alright. Ito yung pinaka-entrance. Init. Look at dito po. Sigurt. Sigurt TV. Init ito. Yung sapo, yung init.
1832.
Let's see. Okay. Hindi natin. Ganyan naman. Kahit effect niya, grabe. Siguro doon pa kami sa taas. Ay, panibago. Ito pinakaloob pa rin. Siguro doon pa kami. Ito yung loob na ng pinaka-escape. Cute. Naman. Hindi ko. Ito mo naman. Okay. Sit down. Resort. Galing. Magaling. Kala mo. Galing mo lang talaga. Alright. So, panibago na naman. Panibagong akyat pa uli. Pang-5 na namin akyat ito. Oh, pero ganda pa rin, di ba? Oh. Sana hindi tayo pagbawa ng video, no? Ito pa. Alright. Dito yung pinaka-ano namin, section namin. Tanyo naman, parang sinihan, no? Pakasosyal ng lugar. Elevator. Sa laki ng lugar. Naligaw ako. Ay, ito.
Okay, qualified. So you're going down the left-hand side. That's row 25. Go down to your row number, okay? And then the seat
Tayo dito.
number's on top.
1831.
sa pinakataas. Pailalim siya. Yung kami nang galing. Hindi pa masyado. Madami na yung tao. In a few minutes, mag-start na yung show.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Ito mo naman, nalula ako. Kasi doon kami nung galing. Ha? Daming tao. Hindi siguro yung mapupuno ngayon. Alam niyo, hindi ako makatingin ng pababa. Kasi may hilo ako eh. Yan. Yan. Subukan natin mamaya kung makukunin yung show. Kung hindi bawal mag-video. Baka yung ending. Kahit yung ending man lang. Alright. See you. Huwag lang kayong titingin sa ilalim. Okay.
Each and every one of you is about to experience greatness like you've never seen. So now, prepare yourselves to meet the greatest man in all the land, the wonderful Wizard of Oz!
I am Oz, the great and powerful. Who are you? Who are you?
Oh, he's talking to you! What's your name?
Varsha,
Varsha? And where are you from, Varsha?
India.
This is Varsha from India, Your Greatness.
I've never heard the star India before. Tell me, how did you get on with hot air balloon or tornado?
How did you get here?
Sorry?
How did you get to Oz? How did you travel here?
By flight.
By flight, Your Greatness.
Oh, you flew here. Your arms must be tired. So tell me, what is your heart's true desire? What is your wish for the wizard?
What do you want to wish for, Varsha?
I want to sit over there.
You want to sit over there on the throne? Oh, she wants to sit on your throne, Your Greatness.
You want to sit on the throne of the great and powerful Wizard of Oz?
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say that is wizard seating only. Who else has a wish for the wizard?
You, sir, what's your name?
Ellen,
Kellen? Where are you from, Kellen?
St. Louis.
Wow. Kellen, what is your heart's true desire? What is it that you wish for from the wizard?
I want to be able to fly.
Ooh, Kellen wants to be able to fly.
Ah, yes, the ability to fly. Of course, you could get yourself a broomstick. Could have had one of those. As long as you're willing to be a witch, that should work out fine for you. Very well. I have every intention of granting your request. But first, you must prove yourselves worthy by performing a very small task. Who here can bring me the broomstick of the Wicked Witch of the West?
Kellen, are you up for the task? He said yes.
Kellen, bring the broomstick and I will grant your request. Come, step forward.
Join me up here, Kellen. Watch your step. Now, a little girl and some crazy friends actually melted the witch earlier. And the witch's bad luck is your good fortune. This is her broomstick. Your Greatness, your command has been answered. Behold, Kellen brings you the broomstick of the Wicked Witch of the West. So now that he has the broomstick, how about granting that wish to fly?
Not so fast. Not so fast. I need to give the matter a little more thought. Go away. Come back tomorrow.
That's not very fair.
You knocked around the rat. I've been waiting and powerful Oz. Oh, you ungrateful creatures, be glad. I'll give you audience tomorrow and us 20 years from now. What is that? What's going on? Oh, you scat every 18 months. Oh, pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.